From Chaplin's silent jests to the immersive realms of Avatar, cinema leaped across a century. Like McConaughey peering into the black hole, we now gaze into the future, where AI reshapes film's very essence. Tyler Perry halted his $800 million project, shocked by AI's potential to redefine filmmaking after witnessing OpenAI's Sora video generation wizardry. He stated, "This will touch every corner of our industry." What's your corner? Only months ago, AI's attempt at Will Smith eating spaghetti was laughable. Now, with just a few keystrokes, marvel at its evolution. A futuristic Lagos, a disco-dancing kangaroo, an underwater New York, serene, exotic nature scenes, all from simple text prompts. No actors, cameras, sets, producers, or directors, just the alchemy of text and algorithms. It's mind-blowing to think this is the baseline and how fast it will progress from here. Are you ready? AI is reshaping filmmaking. For writers, endless ideas and instant scripts. Producers streamline logistics in minutes. Directors visualize scenes and shots instantly. And editors weave magic seamlessly with a few keystrokes. Every filmmaking role is getting an AI makeover. In our filmmaking workshop, experience AI's transformative power. See the practical applications of AI, offering real-world game-changing skills with the latest AI tools, empowering your filmmaking journey. The future of filmmaking is now. Join the AI Filmmaking Workshop. Seize the chance to lead in the cinematic revolution, from ideation to distribution. In person and virtually, on April 5th and 6th from the Courtly Hotel in Kingston, Jamaica. Leap ahead or be history. Register today at aifilmworkshop.com to secure your seat and shape the film industry's tomorrow. Limited spaces available.